Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today I want to share what I created with the January prompts for DIY Ephemera. It was page trims or clusters, or you can mismatch or do them both separately or just do one. So for this month, I decided to do both. So I guess we'll go through these one at a time. First, I made some page trims. And these are made with just random scraps of paper. I have little vellum pieces. I have like some gift wrapping tissue paper. These were stickers off of a recent envelope that was mailed to me, so I decided to cut them out and use those. Some tickets that I've stamped. All the ephemera on here is pretty much stuff I created except for like stickers. So this is stuff I've stamped before and had in my stash. This is something I stamped and inked. I think they're super cute. I really love these little green butterflies. And that's all stuff I stamped and I layered up just as like a reply mail piece that I just shredded up and just layered different pieces on it at different lengths. I really like how these came out, and I think they're going to look super cute in a journal. So this one has a sticker on it, and that is a little like, I wouldn't even say inchy. It's smaller than an inchy that I had created a while back. And I just have another little ticket here with some little flowers I've stamped, some little pieces of papers from my stash. So I really love how those came out. Let me grab this journal I'm working on. I don't want to show y'all everything yet, but you put them on the edge like so of your pages. I think they're going to look super cute. I might save these for my spring journal. And then I made some clusters with a few different items. So BB from BB's Closet Creations sent me some textured paper, and this is actually wallpaper that it was one big piece and I just ripped it up. I made 2 corner pieces, and then the last piece I just left it as it was. These here come from these little tickets with the mushrooms, come from Penny at Penny's Craft Creation. She gifted me those a while back. And then on the back here of this wallpaper is very textured. And my second daughter gifted me some soft pastels, and then you activate them with like water. So I went on top of these with different color pastels and just highlighted like the little ridges and the texture in it. And then layered up some different little pieces that I had in my stash. So cute. Here's one of the corner pieces. Same effect with the wallpaper in the back, and I just layered up some more pieces. These are so cute. I love these little mushroom tickets that were gifted to me by Penny. I've been hoarding them for like a year, y'all. I finally decided to use them. They're so pretty. I love the way those came out. And then I did something a little less, I don't want to say junk journal-y. And I did some die cuts. But these are die cut from book pages. And this one's meant to go this way, but they're like little label dies. And then I just went ahead and made these a little more cutesy looking. That's what it is. I made these a little more cutesy and had these more with like stickers on the top, and the backs are from I think a masterboard. Yeah, I used a book page and then just made like a little mini masterboard with a book page, and then die cut these out and then went on top. Added some little pieces of ephemera from my stash, and then some cute little stickers that I had from a collection. I think this one's my favorite. I love the colors in this one. I love the way I have the little frame here with the little sticker poking out the back. And I think the background papers from the masterboard really came together pretty on this one. So that is what I did for January's prompt. I can't wait to see what you guys are creating. Everybody's name is going to go into the bowl again this year. I have to put Rhonda's name in. I'm saving everyone who tags me in their videos. Your name's going in the bowl. So I know, because I've seen your video and I know you made a video. And then you're also going in the playlist again this year. So be sure to check out the playlist. I'll have it in the description box below so you can stay caught up on what everyone's doing for this collaboration. So thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration on how you can use your scraps that you have and create something beautiful. Until next time, bye.